Daghan jud kog Amerikano bata pa ko, pero wa jud ko katunong sa kung gugma kay puro dimala sa mga Pinoy. Sige kog internet sa una katunong kog bastos nga Amerikano gakas-kas lang ko dito kwarta sa interitan.
Hi folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, I have a Filipina guest, and my cousin, Filipina vlogger, is the one that let me introduce this beautiful woman beside me. How are you today, Ate?
Fine.
You're fine. I'm happy to hear that one. And what is your name and how old are you?
Anisita Piala
Anisita Piala and
at the age 55.
55 years old. So, where did you came from?
Sa Ladio City,
So
Cebu.
you are living right now in Toledo City, Cebu, Philippines. Are you living now in the province or in the city?
City.
In the city, Toledo City. So, are you single, in a relationship, married or widowed?
I'm a widow.
Ah, you're widowed. So, what happened to your husband if you don't mind me asking?
Biyaan mi niya. Gamay pa kay kong mga anak. Kay kanang babaero siya.
Okay.
Bayador kay siya. Na wala siya nang supporter namo.
Okay, so your husband left you when your child is still young, and he doesn't support you and your children. Is that what you're trying to say?
Kay cheater.
Cheater.
Mm.
Your husband cheat you for how many times?
15 years.
15 years?
15 na katuig.
15 years he is cheating into the relationship that you have. So what happened to your husband, Ate?
Matay siya. Dito siya namatay sa ikaw niyang asawa kay babaero jud kay siya. Gamay pa mga anak. Gibiyaan ako niya. Ya. Sa gidugayon, nakapangasawa na siya. Unom ka babae. Dito gyud siya namatay.
Your husband is already gone, and he has been in a relationship for how many women, and during his sixth ikaunom sixth wife or in a relationship, he passed away. Okay, at the age, what age of your husband passed away?
38.
38 years
Oh,
old. And oh, you're so young. So when your husband is still alive, didn't he provide you a good shelter for your kids?
no. May ako ra yung mama may lang support na ako. Gikan sa pagkagamay sa akong mga anak, hando na nga dagko sila. Siya ra gyud nag-support akong mama.
Your mother is only the one that's supporting you and your children. He is very irresponsible husband.
Ubang pag sa barangay, di gyud siya mohatag.
You have okay. You even go to barangay,
Di
a-
gyud siya.
and he don't really wanna support you and your children. So you, how many kids do you have?
Pamilya na akong bana, upat among anak kay katulo kaluha man. Twin.
Twin.
Nya pag ikaduha na akong bana kay wala man ko makaibaw day nga magminyo pa day kong usab. May abot ra man nga time. Siya ra usa.
Ah, okay. So you
14 years old.
okay, 14 years old. And on your first husband you have a two,
Three.
three children.
Pero
Ah,
kaluha lang.
kaluha.
Twin.
Oh, twin on your first husband. And you didn't know that you get in a relationship or married again to the next person. And now you have one children, a daughter, which is very pretty here in front of me. 14 years old, only one. Okay.
Pero, pero badlungon gyapon. Primero badlungon, baydor, ikakarong ikaduhang bana, dili baydor pero nabuang ko sa drugs.
Ah, okay.
Mm.
So the first husband is also cheater.
Peter,
And the second one is not cheater but addicted in
drugs.
drugs. So
Kung
bad.
mag-away mi, dili mi pakanon niya kaming duha. Muna nakanuna na lang kung akong biyaan.
Ah, okay. When you are fighting, your husband don't allow you to eat food. That's why you decided to broke up with him. Okay, good decision because you're just staying in a relationship that almost killing you.
Daghan na niyang mag-antos anang siya ra usa.
Oh, sakto ra pod. What do you do now for a living?
Sa una, kanang nanglimpyo ko sa balay sa akong amiga. Unya wala naman siya akong amiga. Limpyo ko siyang balay, tagaan ko niya kwarta. Siguro mabuhi ming donghana nya karon magluto lang kog bibingka basta nay order na kung wala order wala.
Ah,
Pero
okay.
usahay mohatag to siya katong papa niya pero di sad pirmi.
Ah, okay. So, mm,
1 kilong bugas kada adlaw mahatag siya. Unya mahatag ko siya kwarta 100. Ang supporter kung akong pugson
mm, mm,
mahatag.
mm. So if you're going to force your husband to ask for a support, he will give you 1 kilo of rice and 100 pesos. That is not enough. Yeah. And she said, guys, that what she do for a living right now is before she used to wash clothes with her friend. And how much is the payment for that? Your friend give it to you.
200
200.
pero
How many
sa usa ka semana
clothes?
clothes
A lot of clothes.
a lot of clothes. Pero gagwanta lang nako para nami makaon nga magpatulo sa tasong singot para nay grasya ang atong pagkaon.
You strive hard.
Mm.
So,
Ako
yeah.
ra ang gagwanta kay wa man ta kahuman.
Uh, wala. No college
Oh,
education.
no high
Okay.
school.
Oh, only
Grade 6.
grade 6
Oh,
only.
first year pa wala kahuman sa first year.
Okay.
Naminyo ko sa iyo.
Naminig sa'yo. How old are you when you get married or in a relationship?
16 years old.
16 years old.
Nagibiyaan ko niya pag 21 ako.
And your husband left you when you are 21 years old. Right now, what you do for a living is also cooking for one of the delicacy food here in Philippines, guys, which we called bibingka. If there is an order. And how much is bibingka and how much is your profit?
10 each.
10 pesos each. Yeah,
Ang hirap. Init tayo. Pero sige lang.
laban.
Order. Pero
Ah.
wala parang order. Hindi ko magluluto.
Mm-mm. Okay. If there's no order, you're not gonna cook bibingka.
Yeah.
Okay. How much is your profit? Ginansya nimo. For
Oh, 3 kilo ra akong bingkahon. Makaginansya ko mga 300 sa pesos.
okay. But 300, it's still not enough. For 3 kilos, you have a profit of 300 pesos. Okay. 300 pesos. Okay.
Kaya namig bugas, ana.
You can buy rice.
Mga kinanglanon niya sa eskwelahan.
Mm. By the way, I forgot to ask what grade is your child right now?
Grade 9.
Grade,
Musulod.
grade 9
Musulod pa,
this
oh.
coming
Coming.
school year. Okay. With your situation now, knowing the fact that life is getting hard and you don't have a place that you can call home, are you thinking about going to your ex-partner mother house for good?
No. Di na jud ko mobalik dito. Sa
Mm-mm.
yang dili na ko mobalik niya, di na sa ko balik to sa iyang balay.
You're not going back to your mother house nor your partner.
Salbahe siya nitagam ko. Labi nang mag-awa mi wa koy kaon. Mangulata.
Mm-mm-mm. Abusive. Very abusive. Abusive husband. Now, there's no turning back. There's no turning back to your partner, ex-partner, to your mother house. So this is your home right now. I-
Record ako. Didemolis lagi.
okay. So,
Didemolis mi. Manang gamay na lang. Pero ako lang yung gagwanta kay asam tang kog iabang kung mag-abang ko.
mm,
Bisag mag-uwan, magpayong na lang mihana diri matug. May na lang sa nis mag-abang. Asam sa kung iabang wa man koy kwarta. Manang ako lang yung gagwanta kung balay.
mm, 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 mm,
Ang ani.
mm.
Salini sa dimulis among silingan. Siliyog.
Ah,
Among balay diha, gitamnan na na diya kabunggay.
okay. So it was your house originally is being demolished, and then now
2014.
2014,
Oh, dugay lang kami nagagwanta diri. 2014 pa mi gidemolis.
and this is the place that you are living for how many years?
Kani ani ra jud mi nagtuyo.
This is guys. I
Kami
think.
ra mo duha sa ana masod.
Oo.
Bakang anak.
Where did you cook? So let me be straightforward. Are you interested to meet someone again and open your heart for good?
Oh, oh, pero kabubot man sa Ginoo, it will be.
Mm-mm. If it's God plan, you are interested to meet someone.
Oh.
And what are you praying to God every single day if ever you will meet someone?
Ako gyapon sa Ginoo nga kanang musimba ko nga akong sanina nga dili gani ko magkapaligid pangita nga giutaw na gihangir para nindot kayo nga musimba ta nga hinangir tong sinya nya ako sang gripipyo nga di ko nga magkalitlit sa simbahan kay ko na ako'y balay kanang 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 dako-dako pa ani ba. Oo. Mo na day.
How about the person? Kanang bana nimo nga imong ma-meet, unsa may mga, 'di ba, gikan man ka sa kanang abusive kay imong bana, mangulata. Unsa may imong gipangayo sa Ginoo nga unsa may kalidad sa bana nga imong gusto gipangayo? Masinabtanon, loyal,
Kanang generosity.
generous.
Generous kay siya nya kung magmahal siya nako mo serve siya nako I serve you for the rest of my life.
Ah, okay. So,
Silbihan din ako siya kung maayo siya nako.
if he is good with you, you will serve for the rest of your life. Ah, okay. And what she said earlier, guys, is she like to have a home. Okay. Bigger than this because this is just, if I'm not mistaken, 1 meter probably. Um, have you already moved on with your past relationship?
Oh, nakamove on ako tagal na.
How long are you, how long are you break up with your partner? How many months naman or years you two broke up? Last year? Ano sa mo nagbuwag?
Iwas baging audit mga 2020 dito.
Ah, 2020. During typhoon, 'di ba, mag-uwan man, it's
Lahat.
evacuate
Oh,
to school. Okay, because it's flood here.
Dagat nabot diri. Limpyo
Okay.
ko sa paglimpyo. Nga diring dagat.
What comes into your mind that you can call yourself ready for now for a new relationship?
Gusto lang ko ba nga naa ako'y katimbang sa kinabuhi, na ako'y kasabot-sabot niya. Gusto sa ko nga si Hana, magdako, nga nasa siya ilhon nga, papa.
Mm. Mm. So you want someone that you can rely on, what she said, guys. Someone that she can have, or someone that can help her, someone that could, they could grow all together. Okay,
Pero, older than me, ang akong gipangita.
older than you. Okay, you are, how old are you right now again?
54.
54?
55, this coming December 29.
29. 50. This coming December 29,
55.
you're turning 55.
Oh.
And you like someone older than you. Okay.
Basig dili jud ko biyaan ana niya, dili sa tingin na mo inom, nya buta na, sayom na nako, nya mo pakaon na mo Hana kada adlaw.
Ah, okay. So what she said, guys, is hopefully if he will meet that man, guys, someone that don't wanna drink, someone that will love her and that is not abusive. Because again, for the past relationship, guys, it is very traumatizing, to be honest. So what are your preferences when it comes to dating? And what are the type of men do you like?
Caring,
Mm.
loving, kanang buotan kay siya ba? Nga,
Buotan.
buotan jud kay siya nya, di mi niya pasagdan. Ano?
Okay.
Oh,
Someone that will not
God fearing.
God fearing,
Oh,
loving, caring, God fearing, and someone that will not leave you.
nya gwapo.
Okay. Handsome even if it's old.
Ganahan jud ko Amerikano bata pa ko, pero wa jud ko katunong sa kong gugma kay puro di mala sa mga Pinoy.
Okay. So you really like American when you are still young, but it's a course because
Sige kog internet sa una katunong kog bastos nga Amerikano gakas-kas lang ko dito kwarta sa interitan. Pauli ko pahuway wani ako mo balik dito wala ko mag Amerikano.
okay, so so you do an internet before wishing that you could find an husband on the internet. Are you I will ask you, are you loyal? Ikaw,
Loyal ko so ang Amerikano. Mo loyal jud ko nila.
loyal jud.
Pinagkitaan pa.
Wala jud kay nakita.
Ang Ginoo ray mohatag nako pinagi ni Evangeline. Kay
Mm.
dili gid mi kaanom-ano nimo day. Nya siya miga man mi, siya mo hinungdan nga interview ko nimo karon kay di ta kaila. Ang Ginoo ra gyapon ani tanan mo'y plano.
What religion are you, ate?
Dai kanang Christian.
Christian.
Baptist.
Baptist.
Kanya di man binuang ko magmahal man jud ko niya. Ako siyang gikan siya sa trabaho, ako siyang trabaho siyang singot, nga ako siyang hubuon siyang medyas, pulbusan. Oh, ako gyud siyang silbihan sa tibok kong kinabuhi basta magtinarong pud siya nako.
Mm-mm-mm. Okay, so what she said, guys, is after your work daw, she will going to, what you call that, put towel in your sweets, and then put out your the socks, and going to cook food. What are the
Ako
foods?
siyang pangutan-on nga gigutom ba ka? Oh.
Are you hungry? So what are the foods that you can cook for your husband?
Oh, chicken. Tuan
Ano?
ako siya chicken. Lutuan po na ko siya bibingka.
Bibingka.
Kaya akong lamion og mayo.
Dihara.
Para gyud siya nga maganahan gyud siya nako.
Sakto ra, sakto ra. Okay, te. So nice. Nice answer. What are the things that you know about foreigners? Are you sure with that?
Yes, I'm sure. Ang foreigner good, dili ta pasagdan una tay makaanak ta kung makaanak pa ba ko, suportaran jud ta.
Mm-mm.
Bisag di pa sila mga sawa nato.
Mm-mm.
Dili mo talikod silang obligasyon, di parehas Pilipino.
Mm-mm. Not the same with Filipino. Foreigner is responsible. Even if
Basta lang jud pangitaon na jud nako ng foreigner nga naa sa Dios Ginoo, nagalagad sa Ginoo.
mm-mm. A foreigner that also near or God-fearing. So next question is, there might be misunderstanding between you and your partner sometimes, especially you have children already. How would you handle situations like this?
For me, kung masuko siya nako, mohilom jud ko. Kay kung away pa ko niya, gubat yun ang mahitabo. Wala, dili yun mo mahilom, di mo magsinabtanay. Muna nga, kung masuko siya nako, magpailob lang sad ko.
Okay. Ako translate. Okay, so when you are fighting or everything, if there is a misunderstanding between a different type of situation, guys, she said that she is going to lower her pride. Because if imong batasan imong pride, if you're going to higher pride, there will be a war between you and your partner. So it would be much better for her to just lower the pride. So, as a Filipina, what are the things that you can bring to the table as your final question?
Magluto ko para niya. Yung ako siyang iusuroy sa mga nindot nga mga beach kay ganahan naman gyud ang mga foreigner og dagat.
Okay.
Ligo mi permi sa dagat.
You like going to the beach as well. Do you know how to swim?
Oh, tibaw ko mo langoy.
How about your child?
Oh, wa man siya mga anad og giligog dagat.
Okay.
Ako nag-aanad.
Okay. But you like beach. You would like to travel with your partner in the beach and enjoy the beautiful scenery. And to be specific, you're going to cook with your husband, you're going to wash the laundry. Unsa man?
Yeah, ako nang buhaton tanan. Ako yung mula ba siyang sinina.
Mm. Are you a housewife material?
Yes. Kay ako di jud ko mulaag daan ako sa among balay, naglaba, nagluto, ug magatiman sa akong bana.
You are just inside of the house, cleaning, taking care of your husband or daughter, which is good. So that would be all for today. Thank you so much, Anisita Piala, for letting me interview and hear your story. It was indeed traumatizing to be or to have a partner that is very abusive. And I just really wish and hope that you would meet someone, a foreigner, that would take good care of you, accept your child, accept your past, and will love you. And before this video end, guys, I want to introduce you a dating service that I recommend and trust the most. It's called Christian Filipina, guys. I'm gonna put the link in the description box in this video and in the comment section because, guys, I assured you that it's your time right now to meet the sincere and genuine Filipina that are willing to settle in the near future and a Filipina who can be a really good wife when you want to settle a family already. So that's all what I got you for today, guys. And I'll see you soon in the other vlogs. Bye for now.